If you're creating an animation inside Canva's new video editor and you're thinking, where on earth has match and move went, then I'm going to show you how. I stumbled across this when I was creating this animation for the Polaroid. I have everything set up in place, but you can see at the moment it's just like appearing. But then I started to look and try and find match and move to get this transition to happen, and I couldn't figure out where it was. And then I realised that everything is sitting on top layers. There is no frame yet. And that's because Canva in the new video editor doesn't automatically put the frame in place. You have to click here and press blank. And now it's giving you a 5-second frame. You can adjust this. I'm going to increase it slightly so it's now 6.4 to the end of the animation timeline here. If I just go back to where I want the match move transition to happen, go down to the frame, I can right click and it brings up this menu and I can split it, or I can just press the letter S and it'll split the frame as well. Now you can see that I can hover across and I can add the transition. I can add my match and move. I'm going to increase this so it's a slower transition. Now you'll see that that match and move transition is now happening. If you are wondering and you can't find match and move, just check that you actually have a blank frame in place and everything isn't all just sitting on layers hovering above. That's just something I had to figure out and I didn't realise it was now doing in the new video editor, and I thought this would be useful for you to know too.